you walk along the shadow, you will find a crack. In this crack lives a tiny frog. The frog's name is Pete. Pete, I live in a crack next to a shadow. Pete, I'm not a frog. Pete, I just saw a dead mouse. It jumped. Pete, re-elect me. I'm not a frog. Pete, I live in a crack next to a shadow. Pete, I water myself daily. Pete, once I was a gambler, but now I'm just a rambler. Pete, 2301 Brielle. Pete, you think you're special? You think you're so fucking special? Pete, I am a Pete. I am a Pete. Little animal. Pete, I am a Pete. I am a Pete. Confessing animal. Pete, I am a Pete. I am a Pete. Pete, Pete, Pete. A man, a frog who lived in a crack next to a shadow where people stared. Wondered how a man, a frog could live in a crack next to a shadow. Dear, 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 dearest, I said, he can't. He's dead. I am a confessing animal.
Yeah.